you want to start off?
How's it, guys? Yeah, nice to see you. Well, it's good to be here this evening.
Sure is.
I just wanted to say, check this guy's channel over here. It's pretty sick. He's making some good videos. So yeah, check it out. It's really sick. And subscribe to him. Cool.
And check out this guy's videos, because this video will also be on my channel. He makes cool songs. He sings cool songs.
Thanks, man.
And songs are sung cool by him. So if you like cool songs, check out this cool channel.
Thanks.
It's in my cool wall, Ask Cool wall, on like here or there, I don't know. So check it out, man, check him out, he sings.
Anyways.
Do you want to introduce our special guest?
Yeah, you're probably wondering who this is. It's Cuthbert Lee over here. He's actually joined us this evening. Cuthbert Lee, yeah. So it's really great to have him here.
Special guest?
Yeah. So we're really having a good time here.
Wait, hold on. Oh, Cuthbert says that you guys should subscribe to our channel because we're also from South Africa and
yeah.
We can also speak to a camera. So,
yeah,
yep.
that's true.
Cuthbert said,
Go.
Cuthbert says hello to all his followers and subscribers, and yeah, subscribe to us too.
Thanks for listening to us.
Thanks for watching, huh?
Yeah. So have a good evening.
You too.